Today, I'm going to show you how to check if your Telegram account has been hacked or accessed by someone else, and most importantly, how to take back control if you spot anything suspicious. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to review all devices connected to your Telegram, spot anything out of place, and remove intruders in just a few simple steps. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to have Telegram open on your device. It doesn't matter if you're on your phone, tablet, or computer, the steps are pretty much the same. We're going to head to the Settings menu. So if you're using Telegram on your phone, just look at the lower right corner for the Settings icon and give that a tap. On desktop, you'll find Settings in the menu on the left. It's really important to know your way around these settings since this is where you manage all your privacy options. Now from here, scroll until you see Privacy and Security. Tap or click right there. This menu is like a lockbox for your account. Inside, you'll find controls for who can message you, see your phone number, and importantly for today, see which devices are logged into your account. Within Privacy and Security, you'll come across an option that says Active Sessions, sometimes labeled as devices depending on your app version. Go ahead and select this. Take your time, it might take a moment to load, especially if you use Telegram across multiple platforms. What you're looking at now is basically a security command center for your account, showing every single device that's currently logged in. You'll see details like the location, the IP address, which is like the device's online fingerprint, and the type of device or platform such as Android, Windows, Web, or even MacBook Pro. So how do you know if something's not right? Carefully scan the list. Maybe you see your phone, your laptop, no problem. But if there's an unfamiliar device, like a computer type you've never owned or a city you haven't visited, that's a big red flag. For example, if you're seeing Web Telegram Moscow when you've never been to Moscow, or iPhone and you only use Android, that suggests someone else has managed to log into your account. Don't panic, but do pay close attention. Sometimes it could be an old device you used once and forgot about. If you're unsure, think back. Did you ever sign in on a friend's computer or public Wi-Fi? If you do spot something suspicious, here's what you should do. Simply tap or click on that unknown session and then select Terminate Session or Log Out. This will instantly kick that device out of your account. Picture it like slamming the door on a burglar trying to sneak in. That device will no longer have access. If you see multiple devices you don't recognize, it's okay to be thorough. You can even terminate all sessions except for your current one if you want to be extra safe. This whole process might seem technical, but once you know what to look for, it's actually pretty empowering. You're basically auditing your own security just like a pro. It's a good idea to check your active sessions every few months, especially if you use Telegram to talk about sensitive topics or just want to keep your privacy locked down. And there you have it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button. It lets me know I'm making a difference. Got a question or want to share your own experience with Telegram security? Drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on keeping your digital life safe and secure. Thanks for watching and stay secure out there.